Assalamu alaikum, welcome back again. Today we are going to make feet pie. That's the beef feet. Okay, so to make the beef feet, here we have 2 trays of beef feet, which is about 2 kg, I would say. The spices and the herbs we have here, we have fresh garlic, ginger, chilies. The spices we have coriander, cumin seed, black peppercorns, turmeric powder, chili powder, and curry powder, and the salt. And we have tomatoes and we have onions. Okay, so that's the onion chopped. Okay, so the first thing you need to do is put some oil in the pressure cooker. Okay, so you add your onions. Okay, now add your ginger, garlic, and chili. Okay, now you put the feet in. Okay, you add your salt, so that's 1 teaspoon and a little bit over. And now we add the spices, all of them. Okay, add your tomatoes. Okay, so you add your water. The amount of water you need is about this much, where all the meat is drowned, like so. Yeah, that should be enough. Okay, you put your lid on and give it 1 hour pressure. Okay, so it's been 1 hour on the pressure. Okay, we'll need some mixing in a bit. Okay, first we're gonna take off the skins from the tomatoes. It's easier at this stage, so you just simply pick it up, put your gas on, pick up all the tomato skins, and we'll crush it. Well, the tomatoes are all melted, so okay. So as you can see, the feet are now ready. It has soaked a lot of water, so we're going to add a little bit of water to it, and it's well cooked. All the bones are almost separate from the meat, so just give it a try. Bismillah. Nice and creamy, super. It's eating like adhesive super glue. Very sticky. The salt is fine, the spices are fine. You just need to add a little bit of water, and then it's ready to serve. Okay, so let's give it a try. Bismillah. As you can see, it's very well cooked. All the bones are separate from the meat. It's very jelly. Bismillah. MashaAllah. It's really good. It's really nice. It's been over a year since we cooked this big feet, cow feet. Thanks for watching our video. Please subscribe. Till next time, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.